And I want to welcome you to my very first virtual open house. We're here today at 762 Lyell Way, and this is the very first episode of our live virtual open house series. Each week, I'm going to be showcasing a new listing right here in the Carson Valley, giving you an up-close look at some amazing homes. Today, we're going to be kicking things off with 762 Lyell Way. This is a three-bedroom, two-bath, single-story home. 1576 square feet. Very comfortable living space. I just got done walking it myself. Built in 1995. This home is packed with some great features. They do have RV access. The new HVAC condenser installed in 2024, and they updated the windows in 2021. So some pretty nice vinyl windows, not the ones from 1995. So some amazing features with this home. We go ahead and flip the camera, and we're gonna get this kicked off. That one right there. All right, so here we go. Right here in the front yard. Get some mature landscaping as you take in the initial walk into the front door. A two-car garage. We'll go around to the side here before we go in the front door. It's the corner lot that is on the corner of Ashley Court, a quiet street, and it runs right into a cul-de-sac here. And you get some pretty mountain views on the side yard of the house. Nice picture of Job's Peak there. Hey, Jesse. So we're gonna head back over to the house here. Hopefully I got some camera stabilization going on. As soon as you're gonna walk in, you're gonna see some nice bright open floor plan. Come in that front door. The living room is warm and inviting. It's got a gas log fireplace, some elevated ceilings. Go with the architecture of the home. Some recessed lighting in the kitchen. The spacious kitchen offers plenty of cabinet and counter space with this island in the center. It's got tile countertops as well as tile floors. A nice little pantry there. So you get a 5 burner gas stove and a built-in microwave over the top. Down this hall, around the corner is our guest bedrooms and guest bath. We do have some closet space here in that nook. A full bath just off that living room. One of our guest bedrooms here. Very spacious again with the vaulted ceilings and nice closet there. Good sized bedroom. I do want to highlight the large primary bedroom. Gives you plenty of space. So we go over here. So it's a split floor plan with the 2 bedrooms off to this side, and then on the other side of the kitchen dining area is the master bedroom. Large bay window brings in a lot of natural light in this room. It's got an open sink area for the bathroom, a walk-in closet, and then a separate shower and toilet area. Now, I want to highlight this designer shower in the bathroom. It's got dual shower heads. Pretty amazing feature. Custom built shower, all tiled out. Very nice home. Even a built-in out, as they call it, an alcove for your supplies there, shower supplies. Now let's step outside because this backyard is just impressive. I get blinded by the light here, but I'll walk out. Now, did I mention the RV access? So off the side of the home where we had that pretty Job's Peak view, you get RV access right off that cul-de-sac street. This does, they are keep leaving the shed here, so you do have a small shed for your extra gardening needs because you have these beautiful raised bed gardens for all your vegetables and herbs. Very nice setup, all irrigated. Got all the plumbing in there, and still some mature landscaping with the hedgerows. I'll have to ask about if those are fruit trees or not. And that's separated from the rest of the backyard. You still have plenty of room for kids to play away from the garden. We all know they like to kick the balls and throw things around. And this is a pergo, nice shady spot to enjoy the afternoon sun after work or after a long day of play. And you got concrete sidewalks throughout this whole backyard here. Just a nice sized backyard for kids or entertaining or anything you'd like to do. Now we'll go back in. So, start shaking this camera all over the place. This covered patio is quite nice and offers some shade. We got a little bit of sun here today. About time we warmed up. So, what do you think? 762 Lyell Way is a fantastic home with that RV access right over here, new HVAC, updated windows, a pretty backyard setup, and it's ready for its next owner. This is just the beginning of my weekly virtual house open series, so be sure to follow me for more tours of incredible homes of the Carson Valley. If you have any questions or would like to schedule a private tour of a home, please give me a call, 775-790-1390, or you can click the link below. Thank you very much for showing up to my open house today, and enjoy the rest of your day.